Hey, welcome back. So, out here test pen in an area that looks like there should hold. So, I've got my bucket out here. So as you can see, all of this is being washed down as the water cuts through here. So you can see, obviously I've already been doing some digging in this spot, which is why I've got a couple of buckets ready to go. But if you look, you notice how you don't see a lot of the sand pack. It's just all this river runs out into larger section. So like here you can see where it's not washed all of this sand out yet, but it's working on the lights near it, and you can see where it's bubbling and eddying, and you can see that sand getting washed down, which is the same thing it does in a sluice box. And then as you're looking at, well, it comes out here, some darker sand in here, some darker sand through there, and then large rocks in this sand flare just is getting pushed out. Now I'm starting to sink into the river. Oh, that was a little deep. Okay, back this way. Not that deep over there, but I don't want to get too wet. So all of this blonde sand is getting washed out from there, coming out here. So there wouldn't be too much gold here, theoretically, but any of the gold that is in these banks is all going to take and wash down and sit in this bed. So if you dig the top layer of this out, there's a reasonable chance that you're going to find at least better gold here than you might over there. So let's say I haven't test panned this far. I've done a couple tests up there and found some gold, which is why I started filling up the bucket. Okay. Ooh, there's a pretty rock. Let's go right here. So, set it in. That looks pretty good. Set it aside to look for pretty rocks or nuggets. So, got it down to that material. Stratify, so you get this lighter material on top. Definitely easier with two hands. And then using the riffles on that side, we'll bring the light material off the top until it starts to darken, and then we'll get it moving again so that gold will move to the bottom. So see how there's that darker line at the back? Stratify some more. And we're not throwing it out of the pan, we're letting the water pull the light stuff out of the pan. Unless you're my daughter and then she just lobs the entire pan in the river when she's decided she's done. But she's 6, so I'm slowly working on that one. My son, he's interested for about 20 minutes. Until I find gold, then he wants the gold. So we get down to just a little bit there, turn it around, so got nice deep riffles on that side, nothing on that side, so that's the finishing side. Get everything washed over there. Now the riffles will take and help catch and hold any of the heavies. Once it's on this side, you got to be a little bit more careful because you don't have those riffles to hold anything back. So as soon as you start seeing the darker colors, you want to stratify it back down. Not much, but there's a couple little flakes. I don't get a big gold around here, unfortunately. But hey, enough little pieces of gold adds up to something. So once you've got them exposed like that, you can use a snuffer bottle to move the sand around to suck them up, or you can just keep working on getting that light stuff out of the pan. Some people, they'll have 2 snuffer bottles and start sucking up the black sands. Obviously, with the all of like 3-4 pieces, maybe 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, so I think I've got 5 or 6 pieces that I see right now. And if you notice how that gold's not moving or just hardly moving, gold's gonna pretty much be the heaviest thing in your pan. So when you see something bright yellow fluttering all across the pan, that's not actual gold, that's fool's gold, pyrite. It's not worth anything unless you want a specimen of pyrite. But yeah, so there's a couple little flakes in there. So obviously my bucket will look better because I'll run that through a sluice, or maybe I'll run that one through my gold cube and see what I get out of there. But yeah, just slowly work the sands back and then suck up your gold, stick it in a vial, and more than likely you'll get a little bit of gold fever because small gold still gets it going. I wish the smoke would clear up. Got a bunch of wildfires burning right now, so you can kind of see some blue skies over there. Not so much going that way, but at least it's only hazardous to breathe in, so the post office only makes me be out for like 12 hours a day. Gotta appease the Amazon gods. They like getting all their stuff out, whether we get the mail or not, but hey. All right, well, you guys have a good one. Get out there, find some gold, and like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. And if you got any questions, I'll answer what I can. Maybe I'll make up what I don't know, who knows. All right, have a good one. Bye.